It's the simple things, it's the energy. You don't need the lesson, you become the blessing given to me. They say it's something about the signs, why your zodiacting up my mind. Not sure what it means, but between you and me, signs are pointing towards this chemistry. I can feel it now.